What about an Android phone? I mean, people think that iPhone is the only one that has this because it's the only one where there is an app called Find My Phone. But if you want to look for a Google phone, an Android phone, all you do is Google for that. I'm in a Chrome browser. I didn't test if this works in other browsers, but if you just go to Google and you search for Find My Android, and it pops right up. And it tells me that it's the Galaxy S21 Ultra that it's looking for. All right, I can click ring. Oops.
Yeah,
I touched it. I touched it too quick, so it stopped ringing, but it was ringing. So, and then it has the other choices too. If you click on recover, it goes to this specific page. See, google.com/android/find, but that's just too hard to remember. So I just search for Find My Android, and you can still get here, and you can still lock the device and put a message up, or if it looks like it really has been stolen, you can erase the device. But the only thing I've ever used it for is to play a sound and find my phone, which has been lost in the house somewhere.